What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Logan Patrick. You're watching The Real NHI, and this is the best drone footage of this year. The video begins, you'll see I see a red building, this telephone pole, and the craft. This is where I was standing right here between these two little corners. There is nothing that's making this flight path at all.
No fucking way.
All right, chill out. Like, I'm pretty sure airplanes don't make turns like that, but again, I could be wrong. Mark pointed out before, these things fly abnormally slow. You didn't realize how small it got. Watch this. Like, look at that. It's just shrinking and shrinking and shrinking. It's like, let's be a craft now. See how, I mean, it was crawling. I was trying to manipulate multiple cameras at once. This thing caught me off guard.
What the motherfuck is that?
Okay, so at this point, it had a structural green tail that looked like, had like neon green blocks that built this tail. This thing was massive. And that's my terrible engine of my car that's making that noise in the background. Sounds like a roll of film. And this is me following it about an hour later. Not it, but like one of them, because there was 3 this night that I saw. And I decided to take the sound out of this because it was so loud from the wind. So there's one right there. Same thing. Like, look at that. It is massive. Huge. Like, I cannot explain it. Gargantuan. It is and it's crawling. And it's low. And mind you, like, at this whole point in time, I have light radar up on my phone, so I know it's not a craft, so. An hour later, I stopped in the middle of an intersection and said, let's do this. And I let it come into frame perfectly. Tell me, this is not a beautiful shot. Silent. Actually, I don't think there's any audio on this clip, but it was silent. Same video, same moment, same time with my iPhone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lights. You can hear my car running in the background again. And if you notice, the light that's popping comes from like the center. And now it's pointing upwards. Like, you guys, this is a drone video if I've ever seen one. I mean, with my own eyes, I mean, you guys know how cameras are. They don't do it justice. Like, this thing was so big with the naked eye. Like, look at that. It was so clear with your eyes. Like, I can't wait till these come back around here again. Hopefully by then I'll have some good cameras for you guys and I can get some great footage. But you guys gotta admit, for a 720p night vision camera that I bought off Facebook Marketplace, got some pretty darn good footage. And I managed to capture them both in the same frame at the end of this video right here. 1 and 2. I got more videos to come. Please subscribe, and I would love to do that live with you guys, interacting with me, giving me some advice on what to do and everything. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate your time. Please share this with everybody. I would love to have Ross Coulthart like ask me about this or something. That's a dream come true, would be one day, because I know he's the guy who's obsessed with the whole drone craze and everything like that. So I appreciate you guys' time. Have a good one.